this video, I'll show you how to install your Office 365 download to your personal computer. To install Office 365 on your personal computer, start out at My Midway. To get to My Midway, go to my.midway.edu and sign in using your Midway email and password. Once you're logged into My Midway, the easiest way to find your Microsoft Office download is to click on Outlook Email. And once you're in your email, go to your profile, go to My Account, and under My Account, you will see your install status. If you have Microsoft Office installed on any computers already, it'll tell you how many. It will tell you that you can install Office on up to 5 PCs, Macs, tablets, or smartphones. And you can click on the Install Office button to begin your install. Be sure you have a good internet connection before beginning to download the Office 365 download. You will save it to your computer, and then when it's downloaded, you will run it. That will install Office 365 onto your computer.